AMD's mysterious Radeon RX 6900 XTX is back again. Inside of a custom PC is the liquid-cooled Radeon RX 6900 XT-LC graphics card. We heard about the water-cooled Radeon RX 6900 XTX graphics card in April 2021, just a couple of months ago now, but it seems it's more real than we thought. AMD's new Radeon RX 6900 XTX reference graphics card, or the Radeon RX 6900 XT-LC, or whatever the hell it ends up being released as, has been spotted in China inside of a custom pre-built gaming PC. The custom gaming PC packs an AMD Ryzen 950-950X processor, a mid-range ASUS ROG Strix B550-A motherboard, and Deepcool's Castle 240 V2 AIO liquid cooling. On top of all of that, we have the water-cooled RDNA 2-based Radeon RX 6900 XT-LC graphics card. The entire system costs 20,999 RMB, which works out to just under $3,300, which you'll also get 16 GB of DDR4-3200 RAM, a 500 GB WD_black SN 815 SSD, and an 850 watts PSU.